Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, Kizaj, and this is another room makeover. So after I recorded this video, I discovered that I did not record a before, so pardon me. So the other girl in the video, the cute one, that's Stella, and this is her room. She just moved into this apartment like a few months ago and had called me to help her make it over. So this is just us trying to clear up the room before we start the actual thing. So we finished clearing up the old bed and it was now time to set up the new bed which she bought on Amazon. And obviously I'm the one who does such stuff, so it was actually fun setting this up. Oh, and by the way, she sold her old bed on Facebook. Facebook Marketplace is a really good place to sell your used stuff. You should check it out. So after setting up the bed frame, we put the mattress on the bed frame and then we tested the bed. And it was really pretty comfy. I forgot where she got the mattress from, but I'm going to include it in the description if she tells me. So she got the Alex table from ikea and we had to set that up too. It was really tricky, so I had to read the manual. I mean, I never read manuals, but I had to for this one. If you're ever going to set up a table, I'm going to advise you get one of those power drill thingies to put the screw in, because that took like literally 30 minutes trying to screw that in. It was really hard and it gave us blisters, so that's a tip. Use one of those machine thingies to screw it. So after the table was set, we had to discuss where to put the table. So we decided on like about 5 different places and we had to try them out, but eventually settled for one. We also had to move the bed around a couple times just to make sure we had it in the right spots. So about 2 weeks later, we finally had time to finish up the room. But before that, we had set up some things. Like you see the hanging thing on the wall that has the flower pot. Yeah, we set that up. And also the vanity mirror. If you do not have a hammer at home, use high heels. They're like I think they do much better work than hammers because they have a nice grip and they get the work done. Just save your money and use your heels instead of using hammers. Oh, in case you're wondering, that's just me trying to fix the rod which the curtain is going to go on. And that's the curtain. It was really transparent, but you're going to see why in a bit. The next thing we did was fix those lights behind the curtains. Those guys are really tangled, so it took time doing that. But it turned out really nice. So Stella printed out those pictures from CVS and she also spray painted the frame to gold. Now you see that mirror on the wall, she got it for free from offerup. She just searched up free mirror and voila, there was one waiting for her. At this point in my life, I'm really considering studying interior design because I mean it comes naturally, not to toot my own horn, but it comes naturally, and I think the room came out pretty nice. So we added a couple of carpets outside the camera. There's one in front of the vanity, there's one under the bed, and there's one in front of the big mirror. My best is the one under the bed because I mean, so I can just sleep under the bed when I want to. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're still here, thank you a whole lot. I really appreciate it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comment section. And if you'd like me to help you fix up your room, I mean, why not? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also watch my previous videos. I just unboxed an iPhone 11. I'm sure you want to watch that. Bye!